Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make delicious potato fritters. So let's get into the video. We're going to start by removing the bark of the potatoes. So I'm just going to peel these potatoes nicely with a potato peeler. Go around the entire potato and make sure you've got all of the skin off and any damaged potato, and just chop that off too. So we're gonna cut our potato, peel it nicely, and we're gonna do this to 2 more potatoes, so we've got a total of 3 peeled potatoes. I am now going to use a grater and I'm going to grate these potatoes nicely just to make sure that they're all shredded, and we can mix the remaining ingredients of ours nicely with this so that it's easy to form and work with. So that's why this is an important step, and you want to make sure that you grate all 3 of your potatoes nicely and evenly. We now have our grated potatoes, and what we're going to do is we're going to put these in a bowl of cold water, and we're going to clean these and rinse these a few times just to wash out the starch from the water and make sure that the water is mostly and mainly clear. So when you have rinsed them out and the water is mainly clear, we're going to grab handfuls of the potato and we're going to squeeze these with our hands and put these into a separate bowl. You can also use a tea towel or a tea cloth here by putting the potatoes into the tea towel and squeezing it nicely. The towel will catch all of the water and make sure that your potatoes are nice and dry. But we're using the same method here with our hands and making sure that our potatoes are free of excess water. And now we have a bowl of our grated potatoes. To this I'm going to add in salt to taste. I've added 1 teaspoon. You can add more or less. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. To these spices I'm also going to add in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 3 tablespoons of corn flour, or a 1/4 cup of corn flour. I'm also going to do the same with gram flour, 3 tablespoons or a 1/4 cup, and then 1 teaspoon or 2 green chopped chilies. I'm also going to add in some coriander leaves. You can also add some mint leaves if you want, and we're going to combine all of these ingredients nice and well. I'm now going to add 1 whole egg, which will help us make sure that the mixture is easy to work with, as it will bind all of the ingredients properly. So I'm going to mix this well until everything is combined well. And that's it for the batter of our fritters. We're going to start to form the shape and we're going to start to fry these. So you want to grab a handful of these in your hands. You can put water or oil on the palm of your hand to avoid it sticking, and just make a nice flat shape. And then we're going to get 2 cups of oil and heat this on a medium to high flame and start to fry these fritters until they turn nice and golden brown on each side. And we're going to twist the sides halfway and allow them to cook on the other side. I'm using my spatula to mix these into the oil so that they're fully covered, and we're going to let these cook for a further 5 to 7 minutes to allow that the potatoes are fully cooked and they're crispy on the outside and nice and tender on the inside. Now you can see that the fritters are darker in color, they're nice and golden. So we're going to give these a final mix, and we're going to start to strain these out of the oil. And that is our fritters done and cooked. You just want to go around and cook the rest of the batter that you have. And that is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys like this recipe. Please be sure to try these crispy potato fritters and let me know how they went for you. You can pair these with any sauce of your choice, so you can do that. And stay happy and stay healthy. Bye guys.